In this video, we are going to secure Ocelot API gateway with Bearer token. For providing security in Ocelot, we are going to use authentication options in the Ocelot JSON configuration file. Let's take an action now. First of all, we are going to modify our configuration file. So open the Ocelot JSON file under the API gateway. Let me focus on this file and put the below codes for authentication in order to carry Bearer token. So I'm going to adding some line of code. After these upstream method operations, we can add additional configurations. Yes, these configurations. I'm adding the authentication options just next to our upstream methods and give the authentication provider key, which is the identity API key, and the allow scopes to as empty. That means we are allowing to all of the scopes. But the important thing is we are putting an authentication layer when we are redirecting the R page. After that, we should provide the JWT Bearer token configuration into Ocelot JSON application. So for that purpose, after putting this configuration, we also register our JSON web token under the R startup. Go to configure services, and into the dependency injection layer, we are going to add authentication layer, right? I mean, it should be better for the before that. For that purpose, first of all, I am going to define a authentication provider key. As you can see that I'm giving the identity API key, which is the same as this identity API key. That means when redirecting to these internal services, look for this API key, and now we are configuring the authentication layer according to this API key. So let me write first and I will explain. So as you can see that we are adding a authentication layer and we are adding a JWT Bearer authentication, and of course we should install and download the NuGet package for the JWT Bearer operations. Let me right click dependencies and manage NuGet package, browse and install the JWT Bearer authentication JWT Bearer token. For Bearer authentication security, we have to download this package in our project, and after that, if you go to the startup, you see that this package comes from the JWT package, this NuGet package. And also we have a token validation parameters. Let me add these token validation parameters. Okay, so what we provide in this configuration, we said that this API gateway should be authentication and should be protected by the JWT Bearer tokens, and we are looking for this authentication key. If you see the identity API key, you should see search for the Bearer token, and you have to get token from the validate token from the identity server URL. These are identity server URL, centralized authentication server. So that's why we have to verify tokens from the identity server. That's why we are giving authority as identity server URL. And also we have give some of the token validations. We would not validate our audience. That's why it is important to give false information in here. Yes, that's all, and let me close this one. Okay, now let me check our run profile and run again our project. Debug profile API gateway, and we are running 5010. Save all application, and finally we can run our application. Set a startup project API gateway and change the run profile, and just hit the click and see our project is running or not. Okay, it seems everything is working fine. So now we can focus on our main logics.